Good evening, everybody, and welcome to 2021. What a year 2020 was. Let's hope 2021 is even marginally better, and it will be called the best year ever in history. Who knows? That's my thoughts anyway. Anyway, I hope you're all well. In front of you, getting right down to business, is the 2006 BMW R1200RT. This is an ex-New South Wales police bike, which we found pictures of when it was in service, which is very exciting. This one, the previous owner had tried to convert it to 2 seats and ended up setting fire to the bike, essentially burning up the wiring harness right the way down to the starter motor. Not good. Fortunately for me, and fortunately for you, I was able to source a police spec harness that's identical for this bike, and I've just spent today fitting the harness and testing it and making sure everything is buttoned up. So it's quite late. It's been a very long, sweaty and dirty day, but I thought I'd get on camera because I've got no idea how many Ks this thing has on it. I've never seen the instrument cluster light up. I thought I'd get on camera first connection of a battery and we'll see what happens. Now this is going to be a little bit tricky because I've got to do a couple of things here. Number one is hook the battery up, and then number two, somehow turn that switch. Hang on 1 second. Okay, so, oh, there we go. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can. 69,999,000 kilometers. There's a bit of stuff going on there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a brake failure warning light. Low fuel because obviously the tank is not on. But the only thing I can hear is the slight ticking of the ABS pump, and that's a good sign. Well, I mean, let's go for broke. I don't have the lights hooked up yet, so there's nothing that I can really test except the sirens. I don't know that we want to do that right now. But let's take that as a good sign. So let's just first fit, obviously with all the right equipment on it. Red light up there, blue light on that side. Obviously you'll have a pole light back there once we get the bodywork all back on. Control unit's already in for that, and sirens are already hooked up. So I think we'll call that a win today and say that nothing has gone explodey. And oh, actually, hang on, maybe. Oh ho, there we go. Flashing fast because the back plug's not in. And we've got a left indicator as well. That is very good news. And everything's showing up on the dashboard as having an indicator. That's brilliant. Oh well, very, very good indeed. Very encouraging. Right, well, I'm going to head off. I will leave you with thoughts of sugar plum fairies dancing in your head. Well, perhaps not, that's already been and done. But how about thoughts of very soon a 2006 BMW R1200RT being back on the road in all its police glory. Have a great night, stay safe, and we'll see you again soon.